Hello everyone, my name is Afiatun Nurhasana. I'm an English literature student of Respati University, Yogyakarta. This house believes that Gen Z is the weakest compared to the previous generation. I'm here in the affirmative position. Here are the explanations. First of all, there are studies that suggest Gen Z is more likely to report experiencing negative emotions such as stress, anxiety, and loneliness compared to the older generation. The factors are social media and cultural dispersion make significant impacts toward Gen Z mental health downfall. Quoted from Karen Hoffman, director of CAPS. The influence of social media is that young people are increasingly aware of the openness of news, since bad news has an effect on their psychological. In addition, the influence of celebrities on lifestyle also has an effect on social pressure within young people. This kind of pressure rarely happening in previous generation, because social media more commonly used by the Gen Z. The second factor, Gen Z religiosity interest compared to previous generation. In US, according to survey conducted by the Survey Center on American Life, around 34% of Generation Z are religiously unaffiliated, which is significantly larger proportion than among millennials, about 29%, Generation X, about 25%, baby boomers, around 18%, and the silent generation, about 9%. Many childhood religious activities that were once common, such as saying grace, have become more of the exception than the norm. We have long known the importance of formative religious experiences in setting the trajectory of faith commitments throughout life. For as long as we have been able to measure religious commitments, childhood religious experiences have strongly predicted adult religiosity. They still do. If someone had solid foundation religious experiences growing up, they are likely to maintain those beliefs and practice into adulthood. Without strong religious experiences to draw on, Americans feel like less connected to the traditions and beliefs of their parents' faith. Then, the third factor, literacy activity levels in Gen Z. There is a crisis of reading among Generation Z. Study by Marianne Wolf suggests that young people are reading less and less, which may be short-circuiting their reading brains. The study found that many students no longer have the patience to read denser, more difficult texts like classic literature from the 19th and 20th centuries. The author is concerned about students' potential inability to read with the sophistication necessary to grasp the complexity of thought and argument found in denser, longer, more demanding in text, whether in literature, science class, or letters in wills and public referenda. Concluding from these three factors, there are significant habit changes from something that never happened to millennials, Gen X, Boomer, and back more. Then those habits become common within Gen Z, and is absolutely challenging for them. Therefore, in this era, when all these generations are still running together, comes up an stereotype thought, says Gen Z is weaker generation than their elders. That's all that I can explain. Thank you very much.